Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and grabbing the Python 3.13 installer. This is the only supported path. Explain why. A clean OS and dev tools prevent common conflicts. Once done, run the installer and choose Add to Path and Install for all users. That ensures command line access and correct file associations. Make sure to verify the download checksum so you don't run corrupted binaries, and keep the installer until setup completes. You proceed to install and configure Python 3.13 itself, pick pip, venv, and debugging support during setup. The why, isolated virtual environments avoid dependency hell. Once the installer finishes, create a venv with Python mvenv. Venv, activate it, and pip install wheel setup tools and your key packages. This establishes reproducible environments. Finally, run Python version and execute a quick script that imports a package and prints a value to confirm everything works. You wrap up by finalizing configuration and learning basic troubleshooting. Explain how and why, pin packages and requirements, TXT to avoid surprises, and configure your editor to point at the venv interpreter so linting and debugging use the right Python. If something breaks, first verify Python version and path ordering. Next, try the installer repair option or recreate the venv. If installation errors persist, reinstall with logs enabled and compare error messages to narrow the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.